What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Today, we are taking an in-depth look at one of the most successful entry-level modern classic roadsters on the market. It combines premium British engineering with thrilling roadster performance. This is the all-new Triumph Speed 400 in Phantom Black and Storm Gray. Let's walk around this machine together. The proportions are beautifully balanced. This Phantom Black paint scheme features a high-gloss black fuel tank split with a sleek Storm Gray graphic stripe and the bold Triumph triangle logo. Paired with a matte gray front mudguard, it gives the bike a moody, refined, and athletic appearance that turns heads everywhere you ride. Walking around to the front end, you are instantly greeted by these striking 43mm golden upside-down front forks. They don't just look incredible, they provide solid front-end feedback and highway stability. It rolls on 17-inch alloy wheels fitted with sticky sport tires. Braking is handled by a large 300mm front disc clamped by a radial mount 4-piston ByBre caliper with dual-channel ABS, giving you progressive, confident stopping power. Now, let's dive into the heart of this roadster. Powering the Speed 400 is the liquid-cooled 398cc single-cylinder DOHC 4-valve TR series engine. It pushes out a punchy 40 horsepower at 8,000 RPM and 37.5 Newton-meters of torque at 6,500 RPM, running through a 6-speed transmission. Equipped with a torque assist clutch, the lever pull is super light, making city traffic commuting completely effortless, while offering plenty of high-revving fun on open, twisty roads. Moving along the side, notice the premium fit and finish. The side panels feature a polished Speed 400 emblem, and the single-piece bench seat comes with clean white contrast stitching. With a low seat height of 790mm, it is super approachable for all seat heights. Up at the handlebars, it comes factory-fitted with sleek black aluminum bar-end mirrors. They complete that sporty cafe roadster aesthetic right out of the showroom. Looking down from the rider's seat, the cockpit features a clean, round instrument dial, blending an analog speedometer with a digital LCD screen. It displays your gear position, fuel level, and trip metrics alongside switchable traction control. Checking out the Eco sticker on the handlebar, fuel economy averages a solid 27.8 kilometers per liter. With a 13-liter fuel tank, you get excellent range for weekend adventures. To wrap things up, the Triumph Speed 400 in Phantom Black and Storm Gray is an incredible overall package. Priced at 165,150 baht, it offers authentic British heritage, 40 horsepower performance, and premium hardware. So, what do you think about this Phantom Black colorway? Do you love the golden forks or the bar-end mirrors more? Let me know in the comments down below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Catch you in the next video. See ya!